Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. How y'all doing today? It's your girl Tisha Isabella. By the title of the video, you can tell that I'm getting to this install. I'm installing this 12-inch deep wave wig. Shout out to the Amazon company who sent me this. It came in 2 days. It's actually very much giving 14 inches, actually a good length. It's not too short, too long. And yeah, I already cut the lace. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Y'all know I use Ghost Bun and I did the ball cap method this time. Right now I'm just seeing where to apply the glue at because I already cut the lace. You already know the drill. I'm applying the glue where I want the lace to lay at. If you know me, you know I didn't really used to do the ball cap method, but I can say once I've started doing it, the install lasts longer. I'm going to do 4 layers this time, and also I'm going to go ahead and add my color foundation to the lace while the glue dries. The wig is on now. And now I'm just going to use the hot comb just to get all the excess hairs out the way. And also I seen someone using sprints after they applied with the regular glue that they use. So I'm going to try that. They put the sprints on the perimeter of the wig. It's supposed to give it a good melt. So I'm going to see, does it work? While the lace is melting, I'm going to go ahead and spray the water and put the conditioner on the hair. I watched the video of Erica J. She was doing a tutorial and she did water and conditioner instead of mousse. So I usually do water and mousse. So I'm just going to try her way and see if it stays more luscious and, you know, wet and wavy looking. I'm going to just try her way this time and we'll see how it work out. Because I hate when it gets dry and frizzy. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick I do. Like, you know, when you have the middle part and you over bleach the knots a little bit, you can just put the rat tail comb in and just spray it with the black spray. Since this is a side part, I'm just gonna take the eyebrow pencil and fill it in as I go. And yeah, I'm done with the part now. It looks good. And this is why I don't listen to TikTok, because that sprints ain't do nothing, no melt. Maybe I got the wrong type of sprints, so I ain't, you know what, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet, maybe I got the wrong type of sprints. But y'all said sprints, so I use sprints. But I'm gonna just stick to my, got to be glue spray. Now I'm using my wax stick and I'm just getting it flat. Pull out how much you want for your baby hairs. Use the hot comb to get it flat. Make sure you take your time when you're using the hot comb, because I sped the video up so it looked like I'm going fast, but I'm really going slow. So yeah, be careful so you don't burn yourself. I burned myself so many times. So just be careful, go slow. I'm gonna use my eyebrow razor to cut my baby hairs. Cut it at the length that you like. Now we're gonna curl the baby hairs. I'm gonna use my small flat iron. You don't have to use the flat iron. Some people know how to do it perfect without it. I like to use the flat iron, so it's all on your preference. But it make it so easier. Go straight in the direction that I need it to go. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I don't even know why I already put water and conditioner in it. Like I didn't have to do my baby hairs and all that stuff. So I'm going to do that again at the end. Two simple things I need to lay my baby hairs, and that's the got to be glue gel and mousse, any kind of mousse. I'm going to apply the got to be glue gel all over the edges. This is the mousse that I use. But yeah, I'm going to just start brushing the baby hairs in the direction that I want them to go. I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer after just to keep it in place. I liked how the baby hairs came out so much that I said I'm going to do the other side. I wasn't going to do the other side, but I said might as well. So yeah, they came out cute as well on this side, to me. I'm going to spray a little got to be glue spray, and I'm going to blow dry it again just to keep it in place. I'm going to put the elastic band on for a little minute, leave it on there, just let it melt good. While it's melting, I'm just going to get it flat as possible and take my time. I'm going to take the elastic band off now, and it's good and melt it down. Everything's looking good. I'm going to go in with the hot comb just to get it more flat. But yeah, the install came out really cute, really flat. I usually don't do this many baby hairs, but it came out really cute. Alright, this is the finished product. It turned out really cute. The lace melted pretty good. I don't like when it get dry, and it's getting dry too quick already. I was watching one of Erica J videos. She said try with water and conditioner, but I usually do mousse because that conditioner is running out too quick. So let me see how my mousse do. Because I like this look. Child, this look like my real hair. And I'm gonna give it 10 minutes and see how it hold up so y'all can see. All right, this is the final look after I put the hair mousse in it. Because if it was just that water and that conditioner, it would have been dried back up. So it still got a little moisture to it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all have a great day.